Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video, I will describe a simple and effective security protection which is already available on all Cisco switches. It allows us to filter and block certain types of DHCP Rogue. This is DHCP snooping. By default, this feature is not enabled. To use this feature, first, we have to enable it. After enabling, we can configure it on Trust Interface and Untrust Interface. Once configured, it actively monitors incoming traffic on all ports. If it detects any DHCP packet, based on its configuration, either it allows the packet or drops the packet. In this video, interface 0/0 is associated with a trusted DHCP server and interface 0/1 is associated with a rogue DHCP server. Once configured, DHCP packets passing through the interface 0/1 are dropped. Only DHCP packets passing through the interface 0/0 are allowed through. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel.